Hello everyone, I hope all is well. Today I'm going to finish up lubing these Gateron silver switches, as well as give you some sound tests on the YUNZII KC-68 keyboard. This was the first time in a little while that I hand lubed switches. I forgot how time consuming the process can be, but it's a very good way to turn your brain off for a little while. I used my usual process to lube these switches, opened them up, painted the stem, housing, and spring, and it was easy as that. And now that I got all these silvers all ready, I'll give you a quick sound test of my keyboard with its current switches, the Gateron yellows. As usual, it sounds pretty nice, so it's time to get these switches out of here and get the silvers in. All silvered up and ready for a sound test, so here you go. They have a very poppy sound, though admittedly this could be amplified by the tape mod that I have on there. Either way, I think it's about time for a sound comparison between the yellows and the silvers. Well, they both don't sound bad, but I think a personal preference thing for me, I still prefer the Gateron yellows. I hope this video helped some of you decide what switches you want to get, or just entertained you to some degree. And thank you all for 200 subscribers, your support is much appreciated. I'll catch you on the next video, and have a good one.